Hello, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Journey of English. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English literature and grammar. In today's video, we are going to deal with an important topic from 10th standard of CBSE board. Today we are going to deal with a topic titled The Thief's Story. This topic is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. His short stories are very interesting. In this short story, there are two important characters. They are Hari Singh and Anil. Hari Singh is 15 years old. Anil is 25 years old. Hari Singh is a thief in this story. Hari Singh meets Anil for the first time when Anil is watching a wrestling match. Hari Singh observes Anil. Hari Singh thinks that it would be easy to rob a simple man like Anil. Hari Singh approaches Anil. Hari Singh requests him that he should give him some kind of work. Anil tells to Hari Singh that he would not be able to pay him. He would not be able to pay him. At this Hari Singh requested Anil to feed him. Anil was ready to feed Hari Singh. Anil asked Hari Singh whether he knew cooking. So here Hari Singh told Anil that he knew cooking. Actually, Hari Singh was not able to cook, but here also he spoke a lie that he was able to cook. One thing we have to remember that Hari Singh was changing his name in a month. What was the reason behind it? Because he did not want to be caught by the police and his old employers. What happens? Anil gives employment to Hari Singh. And they go to the house of Anil. The house of Anil is above a sweet shop, or we can say the room of Anil is over a sweet shop. So here what happens, that night Hari Singh cooks the food. The food is not cooked properly. Hari Singh gives that Anil, the food which is cooked by Hari Singh is not liked by Anil. Anil gives that food to a stray dog. Anil asks Hari Singh to get off from there. Hari Singh had the quality of smiling. So Hari Singh smiled in the most appealing way. Anil could not stop his laughter. Anil did not remove Hari Singh from his job. So from next day, what was happening, or what happened with both of them? Anil started teaching cooking to Hari Singh. Anil also told him that he would teach how to read and write to Hari Singh. Anil also told Hari Singh that he would also teach him how to add the numbers. Hari Singh was preparing tea early in the morning. Hari Singh was also purchasing or buying groceries from the market. So here what happens, every day 1 rupee was saved from that shopping. So Hari Singh was keeping that 1 rupee with him because Hari Singh was purchasing groceries. So 1 rupee was extra in that amount which was given to him by Anil in order to purchase the groceries. So Hari Singh was keeping that extra amount with him, and Anil also was not getting angry with him. Anil was a struggling writer. He was writing for the magazines. His income was not regular. Sometimes he would bring money in a week. He would lend that money in another week. Sometimes he would receive a good amount. After that he would go out to celebrate with his friends. So this was we can say this was a routine of Anil. Once Anil came home with a bundle of notes. Hari Singh saw a bundle of notes in the hands of Anil. Hari Singh had lived with Anil for 1 month. He had not robbed, he had not done any kind of theft till now. He thought that now the mind of Hari Singh started changing. He thought that Hari Singh thought that Anil was not paying him regularly for his service, so he should rob him because he had brought a bundle of notes with him. Again Hari Singh thought that if he had not robbed Anil, he would waste that money because he had a habit of going along with his friends. He used to do celebration. So Hari Singh decided to rob Anil. That night Anil had kept that bundle of notes under his mattress. Very slowly or without making any kind of noise or movement, Hari Singh slowly took that bundle from there. Hari Singh had planned everything. He wanted to catch the Lucknow Express. Hari Singh went to the railway station. The Lucknow Express was gradually or slowly moving out of the station. Hari Singh could have easily boarded the train, but there was something which was happening in his mind that did not allow him to board the train, because Hari Singh thought that Anil was the most trusting person whom he had met in his life. Because see here, Anil had kept a lot of trust or faith in Hari Singh. Hari Singh was not ready to break the trust of Anil. Hari Singh did not board the train. He did not stay in the station. He came to a park. He sat on a bench. It was drizzling. After some time it was raining heavily. It was very difficult to stay there. But Hari Singh did not know any person in that town. The only person whom Hari Singh knew was robbed by him, because Hari Singh had robbed his master. Hari Singh had broken the trust of Anil. After we can say, so that same night Hari Singh went to the house of his master. Anil was asleep. Without making any kind of noise or movement, Hari Singh kept that bundle under the mattress. The next day Hari Singh woke up quite late. Anil prepared tea for himself. Anil gave a 50 rupee note to Hari Singh. Hari Singh was a little bit happy, because he thought that his master did not become aware about anything. As soon as Hari Singh received the note, he sensed it was weight. Hari Singh came to know that Anil must have understood everything. What did Anil say further to Hari Singh? Anil told Hari Singh that he would pay him regularly, because he had given him a 50 rupee note. Anil knew that Hari Singh had committed a theft. Hari Singh did not get angry with Anil did not get angry with Hari Singh. Anil knew that Hari Singh had committed a theft. Anil did not get angry with Hari Singh. Further, Anil told Hari Singh that he would start teaching him how to write the sentences. From this story, what do we understand? We understand that no one is born a criminal. circumstances play an important role in molding the lives of the people. Here we should understand the good behavior of Anil. Anil behaved in a very sympathetic and kind manner with Hari Singh. The good treatment given by Anil to Hari Singh brought about a tremendous change in the life of Hari Singh. From this story, we also understand that we should not treat thieves or criminals in a very cruel way. Thieves are also the human beings. So, this is what we learn after studying the story. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Have a good day, everyone.